Singapore, after all, has only 6 million people. And there's a very good public service, which is a predominant player, the government hospitals. So we have been able to be more responsive, more personalized. Therefore, a segment of the population will come to us. But then as we grow, we are now in 14 cities in Asia. We will continue to grow because there are a lot of people in the region who do not have such excellent public health care. They have no choice but to seek private health care. And that's why we took a long-term view and say that many patients in China, and we're beginning to have traction with them. Last year, our China business grew 10.1%, despite all the headlines that you hear about China, slower growth and so on. It's still a growth. 4-5% of such a big economy, I think it's quite significant.
And interesting too, Dr. Loo, because just about a month ago, it was announced that Shanghai was going to perhaps experiment or loosen the restrictions to encourage wholly foreign-owned hospitals and medical care providers there. I know you have operations in Shanghai,
Yes.
and Beijing, and Chongqing,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken. Does this encourage Raffles Medical in terms of your plans or your strategies in China? Does it make it perhaps more encouraging for you to expand or perhaps progressively pursue your expansion strategy there?
Well, we have observed China for 40 years. It was only 10 years ago we started a facility. And only 2 years ago that our hospital in Shanghai was open. So it's a long road, and I've seen them liberalizing their rules, their regulations. And these latest 8 cities are permitted to have fully owned foreign hospitals. It's but another step in liberalizing the healthcare market. So I think all these things point in the right direction. As we learn and as people know about us, our brand and what we stand for, more and more patients are coming. In fact, while we have a lot of expats, actually all our hospitals, the majority of the patients are Chinese. They are, of course, the top 20-30% of Chinese people because our charges are higher than the local hospitals.